Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This time I'm going to take you through how to root any Android device without using TWRP. In this case, I'm using Redmi Note 10 Pro MIUI version 13.0.3, Android version 12. Android version 12 does not support TWRP. So the first thing you have to do is to download your phone's firmware, extract a file called boot.img and copy it to your internal storage. So I had downloaded mine and I copied it here. Then the first step, you go to your browser, then download the latest Magisk. After downloading it, install it. Now open it. Then click on the install, Magisk install. Then now press next. Under method, select and patch a file. Then now select the boot.img file. It's under downloads. It's here. Then let's go. So the boot.img file has been patched and it will be named as Magisk _patched-24.100 EW5fs.img. Let's go to our file manager. Under downloads, you can see now the new boot image, the Magisk patched, this one. So this file that I've highlighted, copy it to your PC. Then after copying it to your PC, boot your phone into fastboot mode. Then open minimal ADB and fastboot. In that folder you will find platform tools. Open it too. Now click up here and type CMD, then press enter. Now connect your phone to your PC. I have connected mine. Now type fastboot devices, then press enter. Now you see this code here shows that my phone is connected successfully. Now we have to flash this file, Magisk patched image. Now type fastboot space flash space boot space. Then now drag and drop this image to your CMD window, then press enter. After completing the operation, now type fastboot space reboot, then enter. This now will reboot your phone. Now when your phone reboots, now we are done from the PC part. Let's head back to our phone. Now after the phone reboots successfully, open Magisk, go to settings, scroll down, enable Magisk beta and also enable enforce deny list, then reboot your device. After rebooting, go back to your browser, search for Universal SafetyNet Fix. Download the latest version 2.2.1. After downloading, open Magisk. Under modules, install from storage, then flash the SafetyNet Fix version 2.2.1. Then reboot your device. After rebooting, now open Root Checker Basic to check whether you have been granted root access. Click on Verify Root. Then now grant super user request. Then you see, congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. After checking that, you can proceed to Magisk, settings, then configure deny list. Now here you can select the banking apps that you don't want to detect root in your phone, for example KCB. And also for SafetyNet attestation, we did it. We use this YASNAC to check. Run SafetyNet attestation. You see everything is okay now. And also for the Google Play Store device not certified, I had done it in my previous video, but we can redo it. We open Play Store, just long press app info, clear data, all. Then now open Magisk. Under the deny list, the 3 dots show system apps, then search for Play Store, then hide it from root. Then that is it. Now you can open your Google Play Store, go to settings, then about. You see device certified. That is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to share the video, like and comment. Also subscribe to my channel. Bye.